So I saw your question on the discussion board. You're given angle B, lowercase b, and side lowercase c. You want to solve the triangle. So you're given angle B and the side opposite, so that'll be rather key. You have the side C, so you can find the angle opposite. So here's the law signs. We know everything but capital C. So I put in lowercase c, which is a 39, put in capital B and lowercase b, which is a 43 and a 34. Multiply each side by 39, put this in the calculator, take the inverse sine of it, I get capital C is a little over 51 degrees. Well, we know the sum of the three angles is 180, so we can put in capital B and C and subtract those from 180. We get capital A, 85.53. So the only thing left is this side A here. So A over the sine of the angle opposite, and I go back to this B here, B over the sine of the angle opposite, put in the values here. Just A would be, multiply both sides by that, and I'll let you finish it, and you'll get lowercase a. Hope that helps.